Padlet is the perfect tech tool for classroom collaboration. Let's have a look at how it works. So type into Google Padlet and it's the first listing, padlet.com. There's also an app available on the App Store or on Google Play. So click and you will have to sign up if you haven't done so before, or log in. You can use Facebook to log in or your Google, up to you, or just create a completely separate login. So this is the first page you get to is your dashboard. You can also have a look at your Padlets activity that's been created. You've got any attachment, your collaborators, you can work with people to create these, and obviously see your settings. So the main thing I want to show you today is creating a new Padlet. So a Padlet, let's click on plus new Padlet, and it's basically a wall, and you and the people involved in the Padlet can post on the wall anything they want, and it just is really good for sharing ideas. So on here, first of all, you give it a name. So let's just call it test, description, an example, and then choose a layout. Free form is people can put it on wherever they want. A grid makes it a bit more structured, and then you've got a stream, so things have to go in order. So I'm just going to go for freeform. There's absolutely loads of backgrounds you can choose from. So look, some more. It's a nice plain one just to show you. There's loads you can choose from, and then you can actually pay for more options. But I don't think there's much need for that. You can pick a little logo, and then this is really important. Make sure you've got your author displayed if you want the classes and children's names, and comments as well, if they're allowed to comment on each other's work. I usually let comments be allowed because it's great for self-reflection and peer reflection. So let's just go to next. So the next bit is how you're going to share. You can have it completely public or secret, only people with the link will know. You can make it password protected, so you need a password to log in, or completely private. So if you just want to set up one and not share it, that's for you. I usually go with secret. Just make sure everything's okay. Now this is where you can add your contributors. If you've got your class's emails, you can type their emails into here. That's absolutely fine, and it will add them, and then they'll be able to collaborate and post. And then you go to next, and then you're ready. Now here's the blank wall. You might want to start a question. So it could be, as the children come into your class, how are you feeling today? And then they go to their iPads, and then they come up with responses under, or they can maybe take a picture, post anything that they found out. Completely up to them. So let's just show that again. Go to the plus. Move that one over there. And then give it a title and write something. And here's your options. You can choose from a voice recording, a video, an attachment. You can actually take a photo, and a document as well. Anything you really want. So anyone in who's been invited can post. So you get this amazing loads of posts and loads of comments underneath. So it's very good for that. Just the last thing I want to show you, and there's many ideas that you can use for this. You can look at other people's Padlets, you can like Padlets, but the most important thing is actually getting people onto your Padlet. So to get my class, they download the app and then they go to open, and then what they need to do is, if you click on this one here, it gives you a QR code. And this is brilliant because the children just get their iPads, they click open Padlet, and then it says scan the QR code. and then they hold it up, the iPad, to the QR code, and it instantly adds them to this Padlet, and then they're in. The other way you can do it, just move me again, you can copy the link, and I actually do this quite a lot. I put the link on Google Classroom, and then they just have to click on the link and they've got access. So that's a good way of doing it as well. Otherwise you can just email the link as well. Okay, thank you very much.